Have you ever wondered, are you really making your own choices? That cup of coffee you decided to drink this morning, did you really choose it, or did your brain already decide before you even realized it? Sounds strange, right? But neuroscience has some unsettling things to say about free will. Back in the 1980s, a neuroscientist named Benjamin Libet conducted a famous experiment. He asked participants to make a simple decision: press a button whenever they felt like it. Sounds easy. But here's the twist. Libet measured brain activity with electrodes. What he found shocked everyone. The brain showed activity before the participants were consciously aware of their decision. In other words, your brain seems to decide before you think you do. Does this mean we are not really in control? Philosophers have debated free will for centuries. Some argue that if all our decisions are caused by prior events, our genes, upbringing, environment, then free will might just be an illusion. But others say, even if our brains influence decisions, we still experience choice. That experience matters. Think about it. If free will is an illusion, what does that mean for morality, responsibility, or justice? Can we blame someone for their actions if their brain already decided before they knew it? It's a scary thought, but also a fascinating one. Some scientists and philosophers argue that Libet's experiments don't fully disprove free will. Maybe consciousness still has a veto power, the ability to stop or approve the brain's initial impulse. So, even if the brain sets the stage, we might still have a say in the final act. Here's a simpler way to see it. Every choice you make is influenced by countless factors: your memories, emotions, environment. Yet knowing this doesn't make decisions meaningless. It can actually make you more aware of how you act and react. Maybe freedom isn't absolute. Maybe it's more like navigating a river. You can steer, but the current also carries you. Imagine two people. One believes in total free will. The other believes it's all predetermined. Who would act differently? Who might be more reflective, more thoughtful about their actions? Even if free will is limited, our awareness of it can change how we live. So, is free will a lie? Maybe. Or maybe it's just more complicated than we think. Science shows our brains are powerful, but our experience of choice is still real. Even if the decision begins in the neurons of your brain, the conscious you still feels it, debates it, and interacts with it. And perhaps that is enough to call it your choice. Next time you decide something, even something small, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, did I really choose this, or did my brain decide first? And then share your thoughts in the comments. Because pondering free will is what makes us truly human.